In this video, we're going to show you guys how to hook our smartphone module up to this style remote start box. In the smartphone module kit, you're going to have the actual module, and then you're going to have our harness. So go ahead and simply plug in the harness to the smartphone module. On the other end, you're going to see a yellow loop, and then you're going to see 3 adapters labeled DEI, ADS, and Fortin. You're going to use one of these. The other 2 will not be used. The tag on the wires represents what protocol that you guys need to set the app to in the next step. For this application, we're going to go ahead and use the ADS. The other 2 will not be used. And you're simply going to plug in the ADS port into the blue port. After you guys connect the smartphone module to the remote start unit, there's a clear window on the side. You'll notice that we have a red solid light. After a few seconds, the red light will begin blinking, and then a green light will either blink or become solid. You're going to wait for 5 minutes no matter what these lights do. At the end of 5 minutes, we should have a solid red and a solid green light here on the window. This means that it is locked onto the network, and you can now set the app up. If you guys try to set the app up before the 5 minutes, it may not connect to the smartphone module. So just wait for 5 minutes, let it do its thing, and then you'll be good to go. There is no pairing and there is no setup. This is done.